Hello guys, my name is Johan Nams, student with s3743660. Today I will send you my assessment 1 to the professional profile to Reddit. The main reason why I choose the MBIT program because I already have IT experience to my bachelor, because I choose the Bachelor of Information Technology in my bachelor's. So in my future work, I don't want to become the professional programmers inside to now. I just want to become my career, just become the IT professional project managers. Because the way I can use my both the technical skill and then the business knowledge to just help organizations improve. That's the reason why I choose the MBIT program because I want to just become to more professionals in the project manager in the IT sides. This program is capturing a lot of different different areas such as IT governance, project management, and choose the data, and then the cyber security. I also learned about the teamwork, communication, and problem service, which this area is really important to become the professional project managers. Both in my master degree, I finished going to not only for the technical skills, I also have my ability to understand the business needs and then provide a solution for them. I believe in my experience can support them strong to just become my future careers and become the IT project managers. In this presentation, I just talk about my career applications, share one program efforts, refer to my learnings, and how I explain the MBIT to prepare my for futures. Okay, so now I just become for the first part is for my future careers. I hope I become a successful IT project managers. For this work, I need to focus on the different types of technical skills. The first is knowledge strategy in terms. The second one is different high quality, how income to assess the programs. The third one is insurance to the projects, how to derive on times and without the budgets. And then the third one is the organization for the strategies. So to become to the professional IT project managers as response to the project planning, team leadership, risk management, and then effective communication with the stakeholders. That's just showing to this job interface is the advertisement is like going to the Queensland's government. So it's highlighted many different type of skills. For examples, have strong just the project management and then the experience. So to go into the data governance or the LS for the project, the ability to how to just deal into the derives from the teams according to the business and then the IT professionals. Executive for the skill is not just for the stakeholders engagement with schedule management and business progress in documents. That's exactly kind of the I have developments in MBIT programs profile in this course for the IT governance, so risk management and then the digital transformations. So just going to this board starting to the UN startable to development to the growth. It's support to the SDG 9 innovation and interfaces. Just going to during to the digital transformations and going to the other one is the SDG 16 strong to the initiations is to promote the governance and then the championship as the IT project managers. Driving to the responsibility to projects and then just create a better outcome to the organization and then communication. So that's the reason why I choose this for the future jobs. I just finished sharing to the INTE 100 for the digital risk and management for the information security. So this is a group task for the we need to offer to the being a consultant with the election water tones, so which is moving to the digital systems. So we're looking for the really important systems like the database and then the SC8 AD8 for the control systems. So and we thought the rest about the such as the how to just become a data bridge and then assess the controls. And the main problem is how to just control the system projects, how to let the customer watch the courses without a mini budget or something like that, give the showing to the budget list or something like that. And then they will just bring the back also the other important is going to become the level cancer securities. So in these projects, I want to just focus on how to the technical risk and business language. And then for the example, which is showing to the how much money you just put on a cost, like how to reduce the risk for the each year and just to the project plans and then to the timelines. So we just provide to the security investments. This also helps improve the teamwork, problem solvers, and present for the client with recommendation for the clients. And this experience is going to the confidence, it's just making to the IT knowledge and then the business skills and organization, the management in the futures. Also, the really important is how to use the budget controls. Become an IT professional, project manager, you need to know how to control the budgets. That's the really important learnings. So that's the first assessment I choose to just present to why this important project in my MPIT programs. When I'm looking for the back to my study, I just want to know how much MPIT programming experience to my improving to my work phase. The first one is the business IT projects, and is this one. So working for the BIT projects, the solution consulting in my groups. My job is called to connect the business ready to the technical solutions, and do also like the meeting, something like that, to just help my team just continue working on. And then I wanted to design the systems, make sure the measures the current requirements, and then just connect to technical part, just how much the everyone is going to understand, and give the just teamwork to the other building too. That's really important to let me learn how to use the different type of the solution, just help you going up to just solve the problems, and also just bringing up to the teamwork and communication skills. Going to the other programming is like the business project managers and management. I'm learning to how to planning to different projects and the step by steps, like the timeline, the budget control, and like the how to just make sure the report is go on the understandings. Trying to use the work breakdown strategy, and then the like different chart, like the Gantt chart or something like that. I need to also report that to the management rest to the how to make sure the stakeholder is continue doing on. That's really practical skill, and then I use student directors for the IT project. Okay, for the third one is the digital risk management and information technology. Before in the last part talk about, I need to learn about how to just explore the rich of the skills and how to budget control, such as some security solutions, and how to just prepare the business is continue to just working on. In short, it is really important to keep it to the project skills routine and variables. Basically, when I'm starting to the different strategy later, something like this. So, move to get together, this subject is helping to both in the technical and then helping to the connect people skills. So, this make me to really confident to just work as the IT project manager in my futures. To the finish, I just want to join into the MBIT programs. How can I help to going up my having to the IT background and into the someone who have a convert to the business and the technical skills? I'm very too ready to well adapt to the next road, going to the become the maybe junior level or the entry level of the IT project management, because I don't have too much experience, something like that, to use this project management, waste management, and consultant skills and dealing to the world's realistic. After this, my goal is keeping to learning to take a target to responsibility to just go make to commercial organization to show the digital innovations and respond to the project developments. So that's end of presentations. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.